Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In this quick guide, I will show you how to quickly log into your Gmail on your PC or your laptop fast. Just open up any browser in your computer and type www.gmail.com and press enter. Now at this step, please go ahead, enter your email or phone. I will enter my Gmail email account. Now click next. Now please go ahead and enter the password associated with your Gmail account. Again, click Next. Now at this step, you will get a notification to verify your Gmail login if you are logging into a browser for the very first time. Here, it's sending a notification on my mobile phone to approve the login. If I am not able to approve the login notification from my phone, I could go ahead and try another way. Here, we will have different options. The first one was tap yes on your phone. The second is use your phone or tablet to get the security code. The third one is get verification code on your number. The fourth one is enter one of your 8-digit backup code. This backup code will be generated when you first create your Gmail account. And the next one is use your passkey. I could use my phone to approve the login, but for here, let's go ahead and use the latest method, use your passkey. Again, let's click on continue. Now here I have to enter the login pin for my this device that is set up as a passkey for this Gmail account login. And if you don't know how to set up this two factors authentication security on your Gmail account, you could go ahead and watch my video showing in the YouTube card above as well as mentioned in the video description. So that's it. Now I am landed in my Gmail inbox. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.